Hi everyone, today we are going to make microgreens egg idli with two varieties of microgreens, green gram microgreen and mustard microgreen. Microgreens are a new form of superfood and highly trending globally. They are the first true leaves produced from a seedling of vegetables and herbs that are harvested when they become about 2 to 3 inches tall. Here I have used different medium for cultivating two varieties of microgreens. For the green gram microgreen, I have just used two pieces of plain paper for its cultivation, and the mustard microgreen is grown inside a piece of coconut husk. Both these microgreens are grown well since coconut fiber and paper can hold the moisture very well. Soil is not at all used for both these growing mediums. It is very eco-friendly way of cultivating the nutritious microgreens. Now I have almost finished cultivating the microgreens. Now let us look what are the ingredients for making microgreens egg idli. Two varieties of microgreens, 4 eggs, 1 small carrot grated, half onion chopped, chili powder and pepper powder half teaspoon, salt 1 by 4 teaspoon, and ghee 1 by 4 teaspoon. Now we are starting with the recipe procedures. First take 4 eggs, add salt, chili powder, pepper powder, grated carrot, chopped onion, and beat them well. Now add the chopped microgreens and mix all the ingredients very well to make a perfect batter. Now take a piece of cloth and spread the ghee on the idli steamer plate to prevent the idli from sticking on the plate. The idli will be cooked by the steam produced from the boiling water under this plate. Now start pouring the batter. Switch on the flame and close the lid. Wait for 5 minutes until it's cooked. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and open the lid. How tasty and healthy microgreens egg idli is ready. Let us look the nutritional benefits of this recipe. Mustard microgreens is dense with protein, fiber, folate, calcium and iron. Green gram microgreens is rich in antioxidants and fiber, so it helps to reduce bad cholesterol and also helps to fight heart diseases. Carrot helps to fight eye problems as it is rich in beta carotene, and onion contains antioxidants that helps to fight cancer. As we have added 4 eggs in this dish, it is really high in protein. So it's good for school growing children for their growth and development. This is also a great way to add vegetables to their diet. I recommend everyone to try this recipe. Thank you.